guys, this is Hadley from Hanging with Hadley, and today I'm going to show you how to make a pot. So the things we will need is a placemat if you don't want to get your counter dirty. I'm using air dry clay for this, so any clay can work too. I'm going to use a string, a kind of roundish spoon. So to get started, we are going to get the clay out. We don't need this much clay, so I'm just going to take a little bit off. Well, more than a little bit, kind of a lot. And also, I forgot you're going to be needing a cup of water to dip your hands in to make sure it doesn't dry out. So now I'm going to get this clay, I'm going to roll it into a ball. And it has to be smooth with no cracks. Just roll that. And I'm going to kind of just roll it on here for a minute. And if you see any cracks, just use your water and kind of smoothen it. And then that'll help it get better. Smooth that part. So the main thing you want this to look like is like just a straight, clear ball. And if you need to use a plate, if it's placed easier for you, that'd work too. You get more. And I'm kind of going to make this as smooth as I can. I don't want this to look bad. So there we go. So now we have our round ball. I'm going to roll up maybe one more time to get it looking super neat. So here's the ball. No cracks in it. Set that down. Now we're going to make like a hole just where you want it and kind of start building up on it. And you're going to kind of just round it like this. So see how I've got it kind of rounded? Now I'm just going to kind of smoothen it. Make sure you have a good bottom, because when this dries in, you can't reshape it. If you need to, use more water. And we're going to make this kind of a taller pot. And make sure there's it's not really thin, because if it's really thin, then the pot won't stay together. And once you've got the pot the way you wanted it, you can design it and shape it. And I think I'm going to kind of shape mine, I'm going to put this out. There we go. And I'm going to kind of get some water and smooth it more. And I'm going to make the bottom flat. So here's our pot so far. And there we go. I'm kind of smoothing the edges so they look nice and pretty. Okay, so now I've done the lines. And in the middle I said hi. So now I'm just going to use this string, put it in the back of your pot, and make sure it's towards the bottom, because it might not work if it's not towards the bottom. And just kind of pull. It might be a little bit tricky. There we go. And here is the pot. The high is kind of probably hard to see. I might outline it just a little bit. And then I'd set it in the freezer or fridge for at least 5 or 10 minutes. Beautiful pot. And now we are going to use this spoon and kind of flatten the bottom and make sure, because the fridge can give it a little bit of a bump. So we're just going to kind of smooth it. If you see any cracks, just dip it in water. And once you're done with that, we are going to, so I'm going to also use my string for other stuff, like you could use lines. You could use our spoon, it's like a knife on the back, so just kind of use it, or you can use other tools if you would like. Now I'm going to decorate it with some lines. Thanks for watching my video. Hope you like and subscribe. Bye!